Curious about the fuse box location and diagram for the 2026 Buick Enclave? Wondering where each fuse panel is and what its functions are? This guide answers all your questions, helping you locate and understand every fuse easily. Engine compartment fuse box. The engine compartment fuse box in the 2026 Buick Enclave distributes and protects power to critical engine and drivetrain components. It controls systems like the ECM, headlights, wipers, cooling fans, and other essential underhood electronics. Instrument panel fuse box. The instrument panel fuse box in the 2026 Buick Enclave powers and protects interior electronic components. It controls features like the infotainment system, HVAC, power outlets, lighting, seat controls, and safety modules. Rear compartment fuse box. The rear compartment fuse box in the 2026 Buick Enclave manages power distribution for rear cabin and cargo area systems. It controls functions like rear climate control, power seats, liftgate, trailer lighting, and park assist features. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse, link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, Use proper tools. Check for correct amperage. Avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.